Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to TOS IT Corner. When you want to buy a new computer, hopefully you feel deep concern about computer spaces. Computer space is most important part before buying any laptop or desktop to fulfill your requirement and all purposes. By this time you may know one or two procedure to check your computer space, but in this video I will show you 4 different and new procedure to check your computer space very easily. Hey guys, to check your computer spaces, at first you should go to your computer start menu. In this start menu, you should right click on your mouse. After clicking right button of your mouse, you will get some menu option. Here there is a system option. By clicking on this system option, you will find a new window. Here you will find a new window, and here you will find a title that is device specification, and under this device specification you will get the full specifications of your laptop or desktop. Here the laptop is HP Pavilion laptop i5 CC6XX. This is the model number. Here we will also find the device name, processor, device ID, product ID, system type, 64-bit operating system or 32-bit, pen and touch, all information. By scrolling below, you will find more option, that is Windows specifications. Here this is the edition number, Windows 10 Home single language, version 1903, installed on date and OS build date, all you will find. Now by scrolling below you will find there is a support, manufacturer by HP, and all the others information. Here we will get other varieties of information in this left corner side. Now you will find this display option, and by clicking display option you will find display, and by clicking storage option you will find more storage, and you will find a new window bar. Here by clicking this storage option you will find this is the Windows C and its switch. And here there is an option that is show more categories. If you click this show more categories, then you will find the all parts of spaces that Windows C has consumed. So this is the maps, other people, videos, desktop, other temporary files, documents, system reserved, apps, feature, all the specific parts that consumed your Windows C drive. Here there is an option that is the view storage uses on other device. So by clicking this portion you will find the all details of your hard disk or your computer spaces. Here you will find Windows C 154 GB and the free space and used space. Here you will find all the device information that is included in your laptop or desktop. Okay, fine. There is the next procedure to show your computer spaces. Now I am going to also the start menu and just clicking my mouse left button. By clicking left button you will find there is an option that is the settings. By clicking settings you will find again this is the system option. By clicking this system menu you will find a new window, and here there is the storage option. By clicking storage you will find your all device information as usual. So it's not new for you, we already seen this procedure to check your system information, your computer spaces and many other things. So I am just clicking this back, and there is a display option. By clicking display option you will find your display information in your laptop or desktop. Here Windows scale and layout option, display resolution, display orientation, all you have find in this tab. So there is the procedure number 3. We can check the computer spaces in very different way. By clicking this search tab, just write system space information or system info. By writing system information on the top menu we will find system information option. By clicking system information option, you will find a new tab that will show you all system details specification of your laptop or desktop. Here you will find operating system name, version, operating system description, operating system manufacturer, system name, system manufacturer, BIOS mode, and everything in a single page. Here you will also find the installed physical memory, total physical memory, and RAM and baseboard version, all other things, total virtual memory, available physical memory, available virtual memory, page file space, everything. So there is the another option, that is the components. By clicking on components, you will find there is option that is the storage. By clicking storage, you will find the drives. By clicking drives, you will get the more specific description of your spaces of computer. Here we will find there is the all spaces, that is the drive C, drive D, drive E, drive F, and drive J, and all are very specially described what type of drive it is. And if you want to know about display, then just click on this display and you will find the Intel USD graphics, and you will find your computer graphics option, driver version, adapter, RAM, and many other things. So that was the procedure number 3. Now I am going to discuss the last and the final procedure to check your computer spaces, and it is nothing else than command prompt. So go to your search option and just write down CMD, that is the short form of command prompt, and you will find that is the command prompt option. By clicking command prompt, you will find this is the black window, and in this space you should write systeminfo.exe. By clicking systeminfo.exe, press the enter button of your laptop or desktop keyboard. Then you will find all details of your computer. Here you will find the host name, operating system name, operating system version, operating system manufacturer, operating system configuration, operating system build type. Anotherly, you will find total physical memory available, maximum virtual memory size available, all details. Here you will also find the DHCP server, your IP addresses, and many other things in a single page. Hopefully this video is very helpful for you. Please keep in touch with TOS IT Corner to see next video. Hopefully you will be most helpful by this video. Thank you all of you.